Hello, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Yves once here again. If you're new, you're welcome and I hope you stay. Now today I'm going to be making another review on Dove Nourishing Secrets. This is a skin cream from Dove. It's actually a lotion. It says glowing ritual body lotion with lotus flower extract and rice milk. Now, I bought it because of the rice milk. We all know the benefits of rice milk. It says it's been inspired by the rituals of Japanese women. We know that Asian women have very beautiful skin and they have some beauty secrets that we need to learn from. Rice is one of the things which helps in brightening up the skin. I've made videos with rice flour and all that for, as a facial mask. It's very, very great. It's got brightening properties. It's got healing and soothing properties. It basically gets rid of hyperpigmentation, suntan, acne marks, and spots. It cleanses your skin in general and gives you that natural, younger looking skin. So what is it? Is it good? Is it not? Dove is very affordable. I think is less than 10 euros. Yes, it's around 8 and 9, but it's a little above the average. This is quite new. I don't know if it's new or it's the first time I am seeing this. So let's talk about it. Does it really work? How good is it? Does it smell great? So this comes in a 250 ml. It is a lotion, but it's quite thick. They say it's a lotion, but it feels like a cream. It's not flowy, okay? It doesn't flow. It's not so watery. It's quite thick, as you can see. Very, very great consistency. And it wraps so easily on the skin. It absorbs. It gives you that instant freshness. It cools your skin, when you get out of the shower or when it's so warm and you put this on your skin. It gives you that refreshing sensation on your skin. And as you can see, it absorbs so fast. You don't need to rub. So it's one great thing about this. Now let's look at the ingredients. First ingredient is water. It's got glycerin as second. It's got stearic acid, glycolic acid, nothing strange. It's got wheat germ oil. Lots of oils in here, but it's not greasy anyway. Lactic acid, citric acid, sodium hydroxide, and it's got lemon oil as well. So this is a combination, a bomb combination. So many great ingredients I love in here, but the main one I love is the rice milk. Now when we talk about the smell, I must say it doesn't smell so good. Honestly, Dove products have this very sweet, gentle, relaxing smell. But this particular one is not the best. Honestly, it doesn't smell bad, but it's not what I was expecting from Dove. They have this peculiar smell from their soaps, their washes, their creams, lotions. They have this sweet, sweet, gentle smell. But this one doesn't smell that good. So yeah, it's not bad though, but it's not the best smell. And does it really work? I have been using this for about 2 months. This is my second bottle actually. I use it for my body, and I must say it takes time to work, but it gives you that natural glow. I didn't see any distinctive brightening properties or getting rid of marks as they claim, but it gives you a natural subtle glow that you definitely need for the summer. They claim it's for all skin types, but I must say it is going to be great for those of you with kind of oily skin, because it doesn't leave any grease on your skin. It hydrates. Even though it's a nourishing cream, it hydrates very well. But if you've got very dry skin, I'll say this is not the best option for you. Yeah, it hydrates, but it's not great for those with dry skin, because you can see it's absorbed into my skin and it's like I didn't put anything at all. So honestly, you know, this is like your everyday cream. Straight after the shower, you just put a little bit on your whole body. I don't use it on my face. It's for the body, so I just use it on my body. And it is great. It's great. It's going to, you know, hydrate you a little bit. It's refreshing, and it's going to give you that natural glow. It does work actually, but it takes time. It takes time. But when you use it, you're going to see improvement in about 2 weeks. You are going to see the natural, if you know, that natural glow you see on people, especially when they step into the sun. So basically, I can say this is like a summer lotion. Yes, it's great. It does not leave your skin greasy and oily. It's a good product from Dove, and I will definitely be buying this again. Very, very affordable, and 250 ml is going to last you a very long time. But hey, if you've got dry skin and you want to use this for the natural glow, you need to mix it up with some shea butter, cocoa butter, or coconut oil. Then it's going to be perfect. It's going to be perfect, because honestly, the glow is there. It doesn't have the name Glowing Ritual for nothing. It does make your skin glow. So it's a great product, and I'm definitely going to get this again. I'm not a fan of lettuce flour, but I got this for the rice milk, and I'm glad I got this. If you want to mix it up with oils or serums and stuff, it's great. It doesn't have carbon inside, so you can mix it with vitamin C, kojic acid, niacinamide powder. If you want to mix it up, this is a great lotion to try. If it comes into contact with these powders, it's not going to turn it watery. It's still going to remain thick and deliver. So basically, that is it. I love this product, and I'm definitely going to get it again due to that natural glow it gives. It does not work too fast as you would expect, but it takes time. It takes time to see results. So thank you, Dove, one of my favorite brands. Okay guys, so let me know, have you tried their products before? Haven't you tried it? Let me know how it came out for you. Did you like it? Didn't you like it? Let me find out in the comment section. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to give me that big fat thumbs up, and don't forget to share this with family and friends. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.